Hey everyone! Welcome back to another fun episode where we explore the amazing animals of our planet. Today we're diving into the world of a truly unique and colorful bird, the puffin. These birds are known for their bright beaks and incredible swimming skills. Let's jump right into some fascinating facts about puffins. First, let's talk about their unique appearance. Puffins are known for their brightly colored beaks, which are orange, yellow, and blue during the breeding season. But did you know that their beaks become duller during the winter? They shed the outer layer of their colorful beaks when it's not time to attract a mate. Puffins are also expert swimmers and divers. Their wings aren't just for flying. They use them to fly underwater while hunting for fish. Puffins can dive as deep as 60 meters, about 200 feet, and hold their breath for up to a minute as they chase small fish like herring and sand eels. And speaking of fish, puffins are amazing hunters. They can carry multiple fish in their beaks at once, thanks to a special adaptation. Their tongues help them hold the fish against spines on the roof of their mouth, allowing them to catch more fish without dropping any. Unlike most seabirds, puffins nest in burrows. They dig small tunnels in the soil on cliffs and islands where they lay a single egg. Both parents take turns incubating the egg and feeding the chick after it hatches. Puffins are excellent parents and work together to raise their young. Even though puffins are strong swimmers, they aren't the best flyers. Their wings are short and stubby, so they have to flap them up to 400 times per minute to stay in the air. This makes puffins look a bit clumsy when they're flying, but they can still reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour. Puffins are found in the cooler coastal regions of the North Atlantic, especially around places like Iceland, Norway, and Scotland. They spend most of their lives at sea, only coming to land during the breeding season to nest and raise their young. Puffins are also very social birds. They gather in large colonies during the breeding season, where they interact with each other through vocalizations and body language. They're known for their playful nature and are often seen rubbing beaks, which is thought to be a bonding behavior between mates. In conclusion, puffins are truly one of the ocean's most adorable and interesting birds. From their colorful beaks to their amazing diving skills, puffins are perfectly adapted to life at sea. Next time you see one of these little birds, remember how special they really are.